Bay window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Celebration, Florida, looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Bay windows Celebration installations offer a unique design that can transform any room, providing both style and additional space. Custom Bay windows Celebration offers a distinctive look that enhances curb appeal while also contributing to lower energy bills through energy-efficient windows Celebration. Window glass replacement Celebration is essential for maintaining the clarity and efficiency of your windows. Over time, glass can become foggy or damaged, reducing the effectiveness of your windows. By opting for window glass replacement, you ensure that your windows remain in top condition, providing clear views and optimal insulation. Energy-efficient windows Celebration are a smart investment for any homeowner, especially when paired with stylish options like Bay windows Celebration that maximize natural light and interior space. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can significantly reduce your energy consumption and save on utility bills. Custom window designs are a great way to add a personal touch to your home. Whether you're looking for unique shapes, sizes, or styles, custom window designs can be tailored to meet your specific needs. In Celebration, Florida, custom bay windows are particularly popular, offering a distinctive look that enhances curb appeal. Window frame installation Celebration is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Damaged frames can lead to drafts, leaks, and decreased energy efficiency. By addressing window frame installation promptly, you can prevent further damage and ensure your windows function properly. Double-pane windows Celebration are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a space in between, providing superior thermal performance. Double-pane windows are a popular option for those looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency. Window seal installation Celebration is necessary when seals become compromised, leading to drafts and condensation. Proper window seal installation ensures that your windows remain airtight, preventing energy loss and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Vinyl window replacement Celebration is a cost-effective solution for updating your home's windows. Vinyl windows are durable, low maintenance, and available in a variety of styles and colors. By choosing vinyl window replacement, you can enhance your home's appearance and energy efficiency. Window hardware upgrade Celebration can improve the functionality and security of your windows. Upgrading window hardware, such as locks and handles, ensures that your windows operate smoothly and provide adequate protection for your home. Insulated glass units Celebration are designed to provide superior insulation and reduce energy costs. These units consist of multiple glass panes separated by a spacer, creating an insulating barrier. Insulated glass units are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Discover the ultimate bay window installation services in Celebration, Florida, where our expert team specializes in custom bay windows Celebration residents love. Our bay window replacement Celebration services ensure your home stands out with elegance and functionality. With our window style consultation Celebration, you can explore the latest window design trends Celebration has to offer. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows Celebration, designed to reduce energy costs and enhance comfort. Our double-pane windows Celebration and insulated glass units Celebration provide superior insulation, keeping your home cozy year-round. Trust our window glass replacement Celebration services for a seamless transition to energy-efficient solutions. For those seeking vinyl window replacement Celebration, our team offers top-notch services to enhance your home's aesthetic and efficiency. Our window frame installation Celebration and window sash replacement Celebration ensure your windows are in perfect condition. We also provide window seal installation Celebration to prevent drafts and improve insulation. Our window hardware upgrade Celebration services include the latest in window technology, ensuring smooth operation and enhanced security. With window weatherproofing celebration and window caulking services celebration, your home will be protected from the elements. Our window trim installation celebration adds a finishing touch to your window upgrades. Address common issues with our window condensation solutions celebration and window leak installation celebration services. Our window glazing services celebration enhance the durability and appearance of your windows. Explore our window tinting options celebration for added privacy and UV protection. Ensure a perfect fit with our window measurement services celebration, and enjoy peace of mind with our window installation warranty celebration. Our window maintenance tips celebration help you keep your windows in top condition, while our window replacement cost celebration provides transparent pricing for all services. Enhance your home's curb appeal with our window screen replacement celebration services, offering protection from insects and debris. Our team is dedicated to providing the best window caulking services celebration, ensuring a tight seal and improved energy efficiency. Trust our window glazing services celebration for a polished, professional finish. Stay ahead of the curve with our window design trends celebration, offering innovative solutions for modern homes. Our window style consultation celebration helps you choose the perfect windows to complement your home's architecture. With our comprehensive window installation warranty celebration, you can rest assured your investment is protected. Choose our window maintenance tips celebration to extend the life of your windows and maintain their performance. Our window replacement cost celebration is competitive, ensuring you receive the best value for your investment. Trust our window measurement services celebration for precise, accurate installations every time, including premium bay windows celebration designed to enhance space, light, and curb appeal.